Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, welcome to World of Ads. For this video, I've done some deep research about Propeller Ads, how you can make money with this paying advertising network, how it works, some things about eligibility, withdrawal, and many more important subjects about Propeller Ads. So if you like it, you can subscribe and turn on the notification bell because I'm posting every day. So let's get started. First of all, what is Propeller Ads? PropellerAds.com is an advertising network company founded in the year 2011. The headquarters of this company is located at Limassol in the Republic of Cyprus. Propeller Ads also have local offices in Isle of Man and Czech Republic. So you may wonder how it works, Propeller Ads. Well, the Propeller Ads is a self-service and well-managed advertising platform. This platform supports different models of marketing, which is CPA, CPC, CPI, CPL, and CPM, of course. Publishers have just added to their website on Propeller Ads dashboard and verified the website ownership by adding Propeller Ads tag. Publishers choose the format of ads and advertisers get tools for campaign, target reporting, and tracking. Advertisers set the campaign with adjusted budget. Publishers are the one who provides the results. Even gambling advertisers are not restricted in Propeller Ads. This is a really good thing if you want to open a gambling website. Some pros about Propeller Ads. This platform mainly supports English websites but have no restrictions on non-English websites. This is a good alternative for language-based websites. Traffic from top-tier countries earns good reward. However, this network counts web traffic from all geolocations. This helps publishers from entire globe. There is no eligibility or restriction for any amount of traffic or content. This helps struggling website owners to monetize their website with low traffic. So another super cool thing. Propeller Ads is compatible with Google Adsense and other ad network. This also helps publishers to partner with other networks. Most publishers are struggling due to ad blockers used by many people. This lowers their revenue. Propeller Ads provides click-based pop-under ads and non-intrusive type of ads to counter the ad block problem. Some restrictions, like most of the ad networks, Propeller Ads 2 does not accept websites related to or have content that are racist, adult, crime, or terrorist based. Military and ammunition related political groups, pressure organization are also non-acceptable. The popular header bidding method of monetization is not offered by Propeller Ads, so low CPM for pop-under ads, low payment for non-English, and low CPM rates for websites with non-high standard design are also not very lucrative. About the withdrawal, well, payments are issued on automatic method. New publishers get paid after 14 days. The payment may be as low as $5 sometimes. Afterwards, the frequency of weekly basis. Weekly payment is payable only on Thursday, but if publishers asks for payout, the network may issue payment after 4 days of the request or may set at NET 35 basis, whatever is applicable. Payment gateways are not fixed. They are set on availability. Some methods like PayPal, e-payments, WebMoney, Pioneer, Skrill, and wire transfer are available. Payment gateways are subject to change as per decision by PropellerAds. Minimum payout is not fixed. Expect for wire transfer. Minimum payment to be issued is specified by the network to publishers. Minimum withdrawals via wire transfer is set at $1,000. So now, let's take a look at their website. So if you want to learn more about PropellerAds, you should go here. If you want to launch a campaign, just click here and to monetize traffic. So now we can go to company and see some things about there because it's really important to know who they are. So PropellerAds is an ad tech company which provides powerful performance marketing solution on a global scale. Like I said earlier, they were founded in 2011 and became very rapidly the leading propounder traffic network, and then expanded into the native advertising world, growing into the most high-end ad tech platform. PropellerAds units publishers and advertising through its self-serve platform and managed service into a complete marketing ecosystem. The company is now one of the biggest alternative traffic sources with over 1 billion plus monthly audience reach and thousands of advertising campaigns launched daily, of course across desktop and mobile. About their philosophy here, they ensure your independence, help you make more revenue, and deliver transparency. And also they give the most advanced tools. So these are a few things about PropellerAds. I hope this helped you. If you want to learn more, go here on their website and document a little bit more. If the video was helpful, you can like it, you can subscribe to the channel for more updates about this kind of topic, so you can turn on the notification bell to be notified once I post again. You can also comment in the comment section down below your thoughts about this topic. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.